So in this video, I'm going to show you how I create my spicy salmon nuggets. This is a beginner friendly recipe. Your grocery list and the full recipe will be in the description box. You have probably seen these all over. A lot of the stuff that people ask me to make, I've already made. I've just never recorded the video. So this is the video. It is very easy. And again, this is beginner friendly and it will be in the beginner friendly section for you. So the first thing that you're going to need is going to be a fresh salmon fillet. I get mine from Kroger, and then you're going to cut those up into some large cubes. The next thing you're going to add is 1 1/2 tablespoon of Old Bay. Next up, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. And next, you're going to add a teaspoon of sazon or sazon, whichever way you want to say it. I said it before. Somebody said I said it wrong, but whatever. I've been saying that way my whole life. But you want to add a teaspoon of that, and then you're going to add a teaspoon of creole. You can use whichever kind of creole that you like. And then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of cracked black pepper or ground pepper. So if you do not ground your pepper like I do not suggest that you buy the ground pepper in the stores because there's no telling how long that has been sitting on the shelf. So just go ahead and use the freshly cracked black pepper. So now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. You can add whichever kind of Cajun seasoning you prefer. I get mine from Fresh Thyme. Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil just to help all of the seasoning stick to the salmon. And then you're going to create an egg wash by beating 1 egg and then adding 2 tablespoons of whole milk. So next you are simply going to take that egg wash and you are going to add that to the salmon. After you get it added, you just want to combine everything. You want to make sure that all of the salmon cuts are fully coated with the egg wash. If it is done correctly, it should look just like this. And now we are going to move on to the dry mixture. So the dry mixture is going to be equal parts of yellow cornmeal and flour. If you have whole wheat flour, that's even better. It will digest better if you are practicing keto or if you are practicing any calorie deficit program. So now what you're going to do is take the salmon fillets and you are going to coat them in that dry mixture. You are going to make sure that you are practicing the right hand, left hand, right method, where one hand is for the wet and one hand is for the dry. This will prevent any clumps from being on the salmon from the dry mixture. So you're just going to repeat the process, and if you're doing that correctly, it should turn out just like this. And then you're going to do a second coat. So after that, you are going to deep fry them depending on the thickness for about 6 minutes. Mine was pretty thick, so that's why I did mine for 6 minutes. I do not suggest that you do it past 6 minutes because do keep in mind that this is salmon. This is a fresh fish. And by that, I mean not frozen. So you want to make sure that the salmon nuggets are nice and golden brown, just like this. So once you see that they are golden brown in color, 9 times out of 10, they are done. You do not want to overcook this because they will dry out. So now you just want to remove them, and you do want to place them on a paper towel. This step is very important, and you want to do this so the excess oil is soaked up by the paper towel. You do not want to bite into a nugget and oil comes out, or anything, whether it's fish, chicken, or vegetables. You do not want to taste oil when you bite into it. So right when they come out of the grease, you want to take a lemon wedge and you want to squeeze that over the nuggets. So this will bring that freshness back into the fish. If you have an air fryer, you can do the same technique with an air fryer. So right here, I'm just showing you to drain it on paper towel, which you can see the excess oil is draining off. And then you are completely done. You want to let it cool for a couple minutes and it should look just like this. And you are completely done. You just created yourself some spicy salmon nuggets, and like I said, they are very easy. So in this next clip, I'm just showing you what the inside looks like. As you can see, it's not dried out. It's very tender. It's not overcooked. And you can pair this with any size that you would like, French fries or okra. I paired mine with okra. And then if you want to make a spicy mayo, I'll link that video below as well. So like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow my TikTok And this is my TikTok here, Chef Yasmina, but it is the same. She's the chef. So here's my code, and I will see you guys in my next video.